Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect mint julep cocktail like a pro. I hope you will like this classic recipe. So let's go and jump in. Take an old-fashioned glass of about 12 ounces, and then add 3 sugar cubes. You can also add 1 ounce of simple syrup instead of sugar. Now add 5 to 6 fresh mint leaves. The history of mint julep is still unclear, but some say that this classic cocktail originated in the southern United States, probably during the 1700s. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Next, pour 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of whiskey. Perfect. Now gently muddle to extract the flavor from the mint leaves. The classic mint julep cocktail was originally served in a crystal glass for better appearance. But nowadays most of the places this cocktail is served in copper or silver julep cup. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Now fill up the glass with lots of fresh ice. Today I am using small ice cubes, though you can also use fresh crushed ice. Awesome. Now slowly stir to mix all the ingredients. I hope you are enjoying this wonderful recipe. The classic mint julep cocktail is now ready, so garnish it with a bunch of fresh mint leaves. I will be happy if you make this cocktail at home, and share your experience with me. Cheers! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching, and drink responsibly.